tokens. Right? So ito yun. As you can see, we are going to trade. Okay, he's selling his golf shares sa Summit Point in Lipa, Batangas. It's a very prestigious golf course in the Philippines. And under Santa Lucia siya. And one of my goal is to have a share of a golf shares. Okay, so ngayon mag-trade kami. I'm going to buy his golf shares for 116,000 BNSG tokens. And then when we get back to Manila, to-transfer na sa akin yung title o yung shares. Okay?
Wow.
So, nandito kayo as
Witness.
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 Okay, so
May video pa. Parang video pa.
So, ito na. Nasa akin na yung wallet address niya. I'll just copy it. Kinompute na namin kanina. It's 116,500 tokens. So, I'll just go to my MetaMask or our Trust wallet. I'll just go to Assets. Okay. There is 28,000 tokens or $20,000 available. I have 116,600 I can transfer. So, I swap this.
Sir, magkano mo pinenta? Sir,
Philippine peso, mura lang. 850,000 pesos.
116,000 BNSD. Gagawin ko 170.
Bidding. So,
Well, as you all know, stock shares, especially in the Philippines, pagdating sa gold, tumataas.
Yes.
There's a lot of people learning the sport. So basically, of course, he's my cousin, so I gave him a good price, 850,000. But the real market value of that is around 1.2 million. So, mura. So ako naman, why? Because I went here March. No? Actually, hindi pa ako agad bumili pa ng PNSG. When we got back to Manila, doon ako bumili. And sabi ko, sige, forge ko lang, tingnan lang natin. So, about 2 weeks ago, of course, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Minsan, nasa-short sa cash. Di ba? So, one day I called him up and then I asked him, Pat, pero muna akong konting pera dyan. Kailangan ko lang, may kailangan akong bayaran today. So sabi niya, Kuya, sige, pray muna tayo. We prayed, di ba? So he asked me to open my account. So my account in NSG. And then we took a look at my assets. So there was an available of 5,000 USD. So right there and then, sabi ko, Pat, will you buy my NSG? Sabi niya, yes. So right there and then, nagkaroon ng, naging cash agad yung aking
Property.
Earning yun sa active earning or active income. So then, mas naging believer na ako ng platform. So that's why right now, I'm buying BNSG, pero in exchange, return for golf stocks. Yeah.
Wow. Talagang legit.
So ngayon, yung asawa ko pa dyan, alam mo na, Hana, nabinenta ko isang share natin.
so you can show it to them, yung asset mo. You can go to an asset na wala po.
So,
Yeah, so pakita mo sa
guys,
kanila.
Right now, I only
binibenta
have
ni Sir yung asset niya.
2,800.
So ito, transfer ko sa
NSG
kanya ngayon
tokens.
yung 160,000 tokens. So you can refresh it. Naging 30,000 na yung money ko sa account.
Wow. Legit. Ha? Super legit. Oh, nahack.
Yeah.
Stop here.
Yun. Congratulations!
Ito ang evaluation system natin. That's how you can do it in the real world now. Soon, magagawa natin siya sa maraming platforms. So,
Power.
before we end, no, thank you, Kuya Pao. Done deal.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pao. But of course,
So guys, ito yung scenario na binibenta ni Sir yung asset niya sa golf course. Binenta sa NSG token. In peso is 850,000, then around 100 15 NSG
So here po
top.
our special guest, none other than our CEO, Dato David.
Nani Crooks.
Louder, louder.
Yes.
Hello everyone. So let me see you guys. I can see you guys.
Hi.
Say hi everyone. Okay. So I'm so sorry that I can't make it this trip because now currently I am in Singapore. I meeting two things. I'm meeting with T-Tex backend team, and I later 1 hour I will meet venture capital as well. So there's a lot of good news. T-Tex definitely that. We're gonna start on this our point. Our target is on December. That's our target. Okay. So besides that, there's another good news also. So but this is not confirmed yet. But it's very high chance we might do listed our NSGP new society in USA market. So we are now getting another VC to help us as well, our new society, because actually, community actually is an asset for them as well. You know that in USA we can do that as well. So that's why today I think Dave, I think you guys came for training. That's how I know Granny, Patrick, Charles, and we have a lot of good leaders that did their sharing as well. Even Walter, they did a very fantastic presentations. Thanks to Walter as well. But today, I just want to let you guys know why I'm here. Because my next target is after we this is we're gonna pull $1 to $3. This is the minimum that is my target. Okay.
Word.
Yes. So that's the reason why I'm here. Because why? There's many secondary market. Okay. They promise to pump us to buy our NSG during this thing. Okay. So here is why I come here. Not by meeting, not by they promise when we list, they will directly purchase our NSG price. That's the only way. Okay. So all those big VC firm, they are not interested just buy burn and mean they will promise what is their total amount they're gonna purchase and how we do the market making and pull the $1 to $3. This is what they want. That's the reason why I'm here. So today, okay, our roadmap, okay, we already executed, we have our own KPay, okay, it means that the KPay is Gcash. Second thing, we already have our own exchange as well. I'm so glad. Okay. I think many people follow us to Tawi, right? All the leaders, okay? So actually, after we went to Tawi, actually we met the governance. The governance, okay, I think everyone know that they have 100% support what we want, okay? So that's why exchange is just the first step that we work with Philippines. It's just the first step, okay? So T-Tex is actually not only an exchange. Our target is a RWA. It's a real asset. Means that Tawi, if they have any assets or project, they will tokenize it, so they will sell in the exchange. So everyone have a chance to become a shareholder using the tokenomic. Okay. So that's why I will be back with all the good news. Okay, tomorrow. So third thing. Okay, I think we already hit 50,000 because they hit 50,000 members, right?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, so this is a very incredible, what do you mean, big jump. Okay, sorry. So that's the reason Philippines. Okay, I always say that why we target Philippines. I always say that if you want to go internet.